Hey there, and welcome to day one of our social media video series, Social Media for Small Business. Today I'll be sharing some valuable information about using a Facebook page to promote your business. Having a Facebook fan page has become an essential part of any successful marketing strategy. Why is Facebook so important? First of all, your target audience is more than likely to already be using Facebook. Almost everyone has a Facebook page these days, and the average user spends around 1 hour per day on Facebook. This makes it easier for you to get in front of your customers and potential customers, gaining more visibility for your company. Second, having a Facebook fan page allows you to interact with your fans in a way that is engaging, allowing you to create deeper, more meaningful connections with your target audience. So, how can you properly leverage the use of a Facebook page to boost sales and cultivate deep connections with your target audience? I've put together a few essential guidelines to follow while managing your page. First, you need to be posting on a consistent basis. This helps you maintain visibility and keeps you in the news feeds of your fans. On the flip side of this, it's important not to be posting too much. I would say once a day is reasonable. Second, you need to keep your posts relevant to your business. No, this does not mean you have to create a post every single day about your business specifically. Simply sharing an article that you read that is relevant to the industry you are in counts. For example, if you're a doctor, you could share an article about how much exercise people should be getting every day to help maintain good health. The key is to consistently post useful content and engage your fans by asking their opinion on the things that you're posting. Another crucial part of successfully managing your Facebook fan page is to respond to comments and questions in a timely manner. This shows your fans that you do care what they have to say. This is crucial for fostering meaningful relationships with your clients on Facebook. The key to making the most out of your Facebook fan page is to be consistent, relevant, and punctual. By following these 3 guidelines, you will cultivate a fan base of people who feel connected to your business, which will encourage them to continue to do business with you. This will encourage your business to flourish. Having a fan page is just the start to creating meaningful connections on Facebook. Managing it properly is where the work comes in. It can be time-consuming, however, it is well worth the work for the success of your business. Time is a luxury, especially for a business owner. Trust me, I know. If you find yourself wondering where you're going to find the time to set up or manage your Facebook fan page, contact us today. We specialize in Facebook fan page setup, optimization, and management, and we can help get you started on creating meaningful connections with your target market today. See you tomorrow, where we'll be discussing how to utilize the power of web video and YouTube for your business.